This is the unboxing and review of Eller Santé magnetic MagSafe charger for iPhone. This charger can output a maximum of 23 watts and can charge MagSafe enabled iPhones at 15 watts. This is what you get in the box, the charger and then USB-C cable. So let's test it out. It feels super sturdy and well built. USB-C charging port. It has rubberized feet on the bottom. The USB-C port is in the back side. I'm placing the Airpods Pro. It has started charging. Now placing the Apple Watch. Since it's a flat surface, you can even use it with heavy metal bracelets like I have here. The iPhone charging area has vents in the back to dissipate heat. And now for the iPhone, you get the MagSafe ring, so it can charge it maximum of 15 watts as per MagSafe standards. And you also get 3 indicators for each device that is charging. The magnets are pretty strong and can hold a Pro Max model with a heavy case easily if you have a MagSafe stand. Standby mode gets activated when you have it in the landscape orientation. Thank you for watching.